Hey guys, we are Team.
Tom.
Hey guys, we are Team Oxygen. Here are two members of with me, Pratham Bhatt and Roop Tyagi. So we are dividing this podcast into two parts where three members are representing the same topic. So yeah, so our topic for today is impact of movies in our culture. So yeah, we know that how movies impact. And Pratham, what do you have a perspective on that?
I think movies have eventually become a very crucial part of Indian societies.
Yeah.
Where like movies represent our Indian culture. There was a time when they were mostly family movies. For example, the movies Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan were doing. Some examples were Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and these movies. But like in today's society, filmmaking is a thing now, where personal emotions, society, corruption, and all this can be represented by Indian movies. Like I'm a filmmaker myself, and I like to record different things. Talking about this from a Bollywood perspective, I think Bollywood movies could be of different things. Movies can also be used to like clear image. For example, I think the movie Sanju, it was mainly because of clearing the image of Sanjay Dutt, and Dhurandhar 2, I think it is some of it of its propaganda.
I guess movies, of course, there are some movies that we call propaganda. It just that movie should be good. I should enjoy my ticket price.
Yeah, I mean propaganda or not.
And
but
my favorite movie was where Salman Khan was driving a car.
Do you know that's why they didn't take like Salman Khan in Ramayana? The near shot would have been very famous.
And Salman Khan would have asked a car.
The car.
well, I think propaganda or not, but like movies do have. an
Hey, I
impact
can
on
see
our
a
life.
legal notice on my email. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, I was saying that like propaganda or not, but like movies does have an impact on our life.
Yeah.
Taking like from the very early times, like in 90s, movies like Shawshank Redemption, Schindler's List by Steven Spielberg. So these movies does created an impact, and like they started this legacy of inspiring other movies and filmmakers also. So
Yeah, after Dhurandhar, Pratham is going to Karachi, going to take the Pakistani.
Do you think Hollywood has more of an impact on us than Bollywood?
Yeah, I do feel that. Actually, especially on our generation. Because if you look at, matlab, you can, when you look at India, you can guess, you can sense the generation gap, of course. And the impact of Hollywood movies can be seen in our generation because we like movies that are gorgeous in making and not for only money making perspective. They are all from nerds. Last time I was watching Daredevil, and they used to write a comic book issues number in the small boxes. In you won't notice that in a frame, but yeah, I like that. I like that nerdness.
But the writing and the story are, I think, essential part, because like it does not matter for the budget these days. Like Ramayana itself has a 4,000 crore budget.
Not two movies, no?
Yeah, of two movies, but when you like see the trailer, it's like some people say it looks like AI,
It does.
and like it is so perfect that it does look unreal because everything is CGI and they're not shot.
I think
Yes, I guess the music
it will
was-
improve by the time.
Like yesterday, I saw a movie trailer which was I think Krishna Vardhan, something like that. It is just made in 30 crores.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but
I
like,
watched it.
but the movie budget is only 30 crore.
Yes, it
but
looks good.
It looks good because like what they have done, they have made the focus of the movie is love and drama. Like they have completely removed the VFX thing, and they have like shot on real location, and it does look real. And that was the point, like a 4,000 crore movie budget and a 30 crore movie budget, and the 30 crore one is looking
I think by the time I think Ramayana is coming on Diwali, right?
Yeah.
So by the time they will improve the movie more.
And I
they
think-
just had to release a glimpse because Varanasi was also coming at that time. So I want to know a perspective from you, since you have made some short films. What's your perspective on music in our movies?
Music is like very important, and it's the core of filmmaking from what I can like tell you from my perspective, because like if there's a still shot of this frame you can take right now, there's just some leaves, and if you like shot it raw, now there's nothing, but if you add a like very soothing music,
I guess I took it wrong. I'm talking about the music that, like songs actually. तेरे इश्क में जा like in Dhurandhar.
In Durandar.
I can talk about collectively in
Okay,
Bollywood.
I got into a different path. I
Yeah,
come from background score.
No.
If you're
Songs.
talking about music, what Aditya Dhar has taken it onto a very different direction.
Incredible job.
Yeah, because like the movie music was incredible. And if you're talking about if you say any edit of the movie, that's what I feel when I watch or listen to Shararat or any other music, and the background song on any action scene. It feels like you can dance on that music. Like from Ari Ari from Durandar, and then was the Durandar first title track. What was the name of the first one?
Jogi, it was the name of Jogi.
I think Durandar 2 title track Aaja Re Aaja something was like that.
No, Dhurandhar type, first part, no?
Yeah.
Karma, I guess.
No, it wasn't Karma.
Kara was a different track, and the first one was
I it wasn't Mankind also.
Hanuman and was in it, and it was a very different choice from what Bollywood takes. For example, if there's an action scenes, they mostly consider doing a very intense music. But in Durandar 2, it was more of a joyful music.
I
That
want to add
was the
something.
really selling point of the movie.
Actually, personally, I never liked the songs in movies. I hate that because it used to stop the flow.
Yeah, they take the hero heroine somewhere else.
Yeah,
and they dance.
there's one of our favorite movies, Rasatsan.
Yeah. That's awesome.
They made a remake on it as Katputli, and now Rakulpreet Singh and Akshay Sharma and Akshay Kumar are dancing in snow. Damn, there's a murder right there. But in Durandar, in the last scene, when Gadi Rok. So there is a song.
Na de dil pardesi.
Na de pardesi nutan intezar ho jata hai.
That's
What's
what
your
it is.
perspective?
That
on
was actually good. From my perspective, I think music is not important for storytelling. Okay, but music is important for adding the emotions. So as you said that you don't like the songs in between. Definitely, those are completely unnecessary. But those are just added to show the emotions, show the connection between the main characters, the hero and the heroine. But for the storytelling point of view, I don't think that music is very important. We can take the example of Satyajit Ray.
Yeah.
If you have watched any of his short films or anything, he barely use any music in his films, and he's considered to be one of the best filmmaker in India.
What I really hate are item songs.
Yeah, actually, those are
Actually, I guess we can't classify it as one thing because if you look at Dhurandhar, all songs are good. They are placed beautifully at the right place.
actually
But they
not
do not
just-
take the story somewhere else, right?
Yeah,
Dhurandhar.
exactly.
Yeah.
That
In
is
Durandar, they do not take the movie somewhere else. For example, we were talking about Akshay Kumar dancing somewhere
Yeah,
else. Like the
that
Shararat
I do
movie
like.
itself is short, it's a wedding scene, so it
And
makes sense.
it do make sense.
Yeah. And
there is a movie called Kalki, if you have watched it, and there is just this one scene where the main character Prabhas and his girlfriend, if we can
yeah,
say,
they went into
they
the
went yes,
Yeah.
and then suddenly they are both
flow of
dancing
the
and
movie
this
shift.
unnecessary song come in between. That was very unnecessary. That felt very unnecessary. So
Yeah.
these type of songs and
For example, from the movie Durandar itself, the song Gehra Hua, it's one of my favorite music, and
the song is good actually,
Yeah.
but the
Yeah.
it does fit on the theme somehow.
A bit
and,
off.
And
Actually, from the first part, the only complaint I have that I didn't connect it to that Hamza and Irina part. As I'm single too.
I don't think there's a chance of love while you are an Indian spy in Pakistan.
Yeah.
I think this trend started from Animal, where Sandeep Reddy Wanga took a very bold choice of presenting Indian cinema with a very R-rated content.
Yeah.
And I think the song trend started from there also because the movie also had very good music. Each of the background score were very good, and from individual music, the action scenes had very good music. I don't recall
You
the
may be right, but I don't. As you have also analyzed that, Aditya Dhar is not a person who will go with the trend.
Yeah.
He is a person who makes his own way, and that makes him more beautiful. That moving to Dhruv Nolan, what's your perspective on that?
I think Anurag Kashyap started it way before
Gangs of
Animal
Wasseypur.
with Gangs of Wasseypur. Like some still call it like the Indian version of Godfather. So
I think it was Gangs of Wasseypur. We should
and
not
yes,
call
as
that.
Pratham was talking about the impact of Hollywood, definitely Hollywood does have a big impact. Not just in like India, but throughout the world. We have to accept it. Like with the Godfather, it started this genre of violence and those war crimes, and the Schindler List movies that impacted me personally very much.
Actually, we are in college and we are in hostel rooms. If you look into hostel rooms, there are more Hollywood characters. In my hostel room, I have a photo of Iron Man, Black Panther, Batman, Spider-Man.
Like
Yeah.
we are a generation grew up on Hollywood. I think we started from Marvel, then we shifted to Interstellar and all the cinema experience which we got.
Well, actually, I don't think it's our fault.
It's
Personally,
not our
because
fault.
you are seeing such beautiful VFX in movies like Pirates of the Caribbean
Right.
and Spider-Man,
Dune.
Iron Man, and then you were seeing horrible VFXs in Shaktiman. Fuck, fuck, fuck.
Adi Purush.
Like Shaktiman, Adipurush, these were like,
Shaktiman was like okay that time.
But-
There was not much of a
But
brand of
yeah,
VFX
I have a
movies.
choice. I have to watch an amazing movie and I have to watch a terrible VFX movie. Which will I choose?
what I think the problem is in Bollywood. It is they try to cast a hero, not a actor, a hero. Basically, someone who has a big face. For example, Prabhas. Like no wonder that like the guy is amazing. His performance in Bahubali was very good.
But it
But
was the
after
last.
after it, he became a star and he was no longer the actor we needed.
Right.
For example, the actor has to be inferior to the director.
Right.
What the director is saying, actor has to follow. For example, in the movie Terminator, like the director, director said to the Arnold Schwarzenegger, like, I am the director, let me do my job and
Yeah.
you do your own thing. For example, he was trying to improvise, but the director denied the whole
He
thing.
used to have a nail gun in the set.
Yeah.
जिसका phone बजा.
But for these movies like of Hollywood, that's the thing. Like the actors respect the director, and that's where they like get all these good actors from, and like they are open to trying new things. They're
And-
open to taking risks.
I somehow I have a point on that. I don't think we don't have amazing directors in our industry. I don't think that. I think the system is not there. It is not allowing. And I don't know how you will agree or not, but Dhurandhar was a luck. Because the system is not allowing these movies to be made, right? It was a luck that these movies are made, and now it's a, I think, blessing in disguise. In perspective of Bollywood, now we will get to see some art movies.
Like Dhurandhar, like was a good movie, but somewhere I feel like it was a mass media film. And
Yeah.
And I guess
It
it was a
was.
correct definition of a mass media.
yeah, like what we call cinema, I don't
Right.
think Indian culture has it right now.
No.
Like for the name of cinema we have Ramayana, and like I think Amir
And maybe-
Khan was like someone in Bollywood who was trying new things,
Right.
but like after his like latest release like which
Lal
got
Singh Chadha.
which got flopped, I think
Thugs of
yeah
Hindustan.
he went to like of making of Mahabharata. That was like very,
I think I do think that South Indian films are more Indian
Yeah.
than in North Indian movies.
they know how to represent culture.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
and,
actually.
and I guess now the new age directors like Raj and DK, Aditya Dhar are showing culture now. You see that in Dhurandhar, we are never going to see Lehari, right? But he's made a
we were
set.
feeling
Yeah,
set
we
was
are in
good.
Lehari and we want to. He show the culture of that, even though we hate that country. So, what's your perspective?
Like,
Do you
talking about-
know them?
Talking about like those sets of Layari and all, I think that is also missing in Bollywood. Like considering the big budget of like movies like Ramayana, what felt off in the trailer of Ramayana was like lack of practical effects and like lack of like the real.
I guess
It was
it is
like they-
more
they didn't even-
applicable on Adi Purush, not on Ramayana. Ramayana, we haven't
It
seen the
was
movie.
actually
We haven't seen the movie, right? We have seen the Adi Purush.
Obviously,
We have seen Ravan doing welding, right?
Yeah, Adipurush was a disaster.
Yeah.
We should
it
wait
was-
for Ramayana and then make comments.
No, but like actually, if you are presenting a trailer, if you
Yeah,
are releasing
yeah.
it, at least you have to
Ah.
polish those scenes for the audience.
I think there's some point too, there's like negative PR too of Ramayana. I think from basically Ranveer Kapoor Like when the trailer dropped,
And I am a beef guy.
yeah, the first thing was trending was that he eats
For me,
beef and all.
well, actually, I don't care about that all. I'm very excited about Ramayana, but it actually does feel off considering the budget and considering the hype they created. But for me, it was actually like the lack of the practical effects and like, for example, there is this one shot where Ranbir Kapoor as Lord Ram is like flowing off the ashes of, I believe,
Yeah,
the
like
shrub.
he's doing this thing.
But it was like the whole forest looked so,
Unreal.
yeah.
So
They could have
let's,
showed it in
go
the
towards the next point. I guess in Indian cinema, all things are being developed, are in the development phase. The one thing I'm really sad about, the one that is destroyed, is Indian superheroes. It is totally destroyed. We
Flying jet.
flying jet. No, we saw.
Actually, we
in-
have many
to be very,
superheroes in
to be very
Comics,
right.
sorry, Raj Comics.
Indian culture is so rich. You can take so many inspirations. We see movies, we see games like Ghost of Tsushima, God of War. We can do so much. We have Mahabharat, Ramayana. Some believe, I do believe in history. Some believe mythology. Believe what you want, but just make some movies on that. Make some movies on this rich culture.
But do you think
Actually-
like we are dragging this mythology too far?
Exactly. I'm just telling you that we can't really make a good superhero out of these epics. The
I do
reason
believe that we
being,
can.
no, the reason being is that many people are actually very sentimental about it. So we can't really like manipulate them in our own way
That's
and
a-
create a like
I will take,
broader story
I
for
will
the
take an example that
international
you only
audience.
said, Kalki.
Kalki was good, but actually
Like Kalki is not praised in the Indian culture so much. For example, if you
Exactly.
take Lord Ram, right? If you make a game out of it, but you
No,
can't
no.
show him doing
No, no,
like
no.
anything wrong.
No, no.
That would be a very big controversy.
No, not on Lord Ram, not on Lord Krishna. But you see what I'm coming from, right? You see Kalki, right?
Now that you say it,
failed-
like Kalki
it-
can be a
it
very
failed-
big game.
It failed because of the first part, the first half of the movie. It was disaster. But the second part of the movie
Was very
did
good.
watch. Actually, it wanted
actually
to.
the first part was also good.
First
Especially
half.
the intro was actually
First half.
very.
The Prabhas part.
The first half was very dragged on.
Yeah, it
was
it was
a
very
little
long.
bad.
It could have been like half the part, and I wouldn't
The
really care.
interval scene was
Actually, Mahabharat scenes was too good. Right? Kabhi Dekha Nahi Tha.
That was very good. The introduction of Karn, introduction of Arjun, like Arjun versus Karn, the whole setup, everything was so good.
The arrow and
Yeah.
I loved it. Like the arrow clashing and all the scenes of Mahabharata, all this like blasting stuff was very good.
right.
Loved it.
So,
And have you seen the like introduction of Varanasi by SSR?
Yeah, I did.
It was.
Bro,
It
the,
was good.
like the background score with combined with what all that like Hanuman
And
and
the point I made, I can now say the example Kantara.
Kantara, like I love the first part. Kantara,
Exactly, I love the first part.
Comedy and all that.
Take that aside, but I want to say the point of inspiration of the culture, and we love that movie. KL Rahul is doing the celebration in the ground, right? So I guess it's all about the system that we make. Anything, Dhruv, Nolan, you want to add?
No, I think I'm just saying that like it would definitely be exciting to watch like epics like Mahabharata on the biggest screen.
Okay, which
But
movies you both are excited to watch in the future that are coming?
this year I'm excited to watch so many movies. Like The
One.
Doomsday is coming, Dune 3 is coming on the same day on 18th of
I'm
December.
excited.
Yeah,
I'm honestly not excited about Doomsday. I only want to watch Dune 3.
I'm
I
a
want to
big
watch-
fan of Dennis and I love his movies.
I want to
he's
watch
one of the amazing
Avengers.
directors.
I want to watch Avengers Doomsday.
Like, have you watched Dune? You should. You
Yes.
should. Both the parts, Dune 1 and Dune 2, absolute cinema.
Okay.
And
You will forget about Avengers.
also I am
Nah.
You will.
Good.
It's actually very good. Also, like in India, I'm excited about Ramayana this year, considering the budget only.
Yeah.
That is the one point.
I'm really excited about the VFX and the visual effects they are promising. Because DNAG has also given VFX in Dune.
Yeah.
I'm sure that they will make it right. I won't judge it from the teaser that they produced, but yeah.
I don't think like a budget is like it is a crucial part, but I think somewhere acting and drama matters more than the budget matters, because we have seen with Adi Purush, you take a 400, 500 crore like budget
And then
movie.
you see Ravan doing welding.
Yeah, and Ravan doing welding, and like Ravan and the French cut. That's very disappointing. And I think even though if the movie is not a
Dialogues.
big budget film, but if you can do a storytelling on its feet, it will be like very good.
Okay, so
Have you seen the movie 96?
Yeah, I did.
You have.
By starring Vijay Sethupathi,
Yeah,
I guess.
it is one of
It
like-
is. It is very low.
It's a very low budget film. It's a
Yes.
very romantic film. It's the best romantic film I've ever seen, because like
It's definitely one of the best.
like
Definitely.
acting is very good.
Yes.
Like very low budget, made in like under 10 crores. Like, but acting is perfect.
under 10 crores.
Under 10 crores.
Well, under 15 crores, like Tumbad was made under 15 crores.
but
I mean,
it was made then. And then
Like,
in
I was-
2016, 17.
Like
it was released in 2000.
I was about to say like Indian culture doesn't have horror films, like good horror films, but I like you mentioned Tumbad, it is very good.
It is.
Tumbad
Okay,
is
so last point. You have made some short films. You're really passionate about it, and we talked about that Indian filmmakers are not showing Indian culture in the right way. In future, if you get a chance, how will you show that? How will you showcase that? Which stories you want to portray first? And in that point, I want to sideline Ramayana and Mahabharata. Like,
I'm definitely not interested in like Ramayana, and like if I get 4,000 crore, and like you have sidelined Mahabharata, but like the story of Krishna is like very interesting. And another is, I don't think we need to talk about mythology so much in today's
no,
Indian
I'm
society.
not saying that you
Yeah.
have to make biopics.
Like I was making a point that I would be showing the present Indian society. For example, from my perspective, the present Indian society has gotten very diabolical. Like the politics and stuff. Like for example, Durandar 2 does show the politics, but I think it only like shows one perspective. So I think showing Indian culture, politics, and that would be one of my things. Storytelling.
So you're not a very cultured person. You want to represent timeline.
Definitely timeline, and another thing is I think Indian society is very unbalanced. For example, there are under 1% which are privileged.
Right.
The rest of them, like we don't really care about them. So I think storytelling can help them bring comfort, and because that's the point of storytelling. If you're like, making a story, that's
Okay.
you have to make a point.
You have to make a movie on UPS and Bidoli culture. What it would be.
On UPS and Bidoli
What's
culture.
a nice story that you will have?
We were trying to make a story on like not on the culture, but on the
Actually, the life that we are living in Bidoli, Kandoli, right in this city, right? So when you are making Bidoli really.
Bidoli, like I think like everything can portray a story from Bidoli itself. Like if like the life of an average student is not easy. For example, the daily course that we have to do assignments on all, but like we can like laugh on them. But if you like see on a perspective, most of the students are here are lonely. Most of them are like have less friends and have a repeated life. You like wake up at 6 and then you have classes till 6, and then you have only the night where you overthink. Like that can be a very good.
I can see
story.
the smartness. Khair, we end it here. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
And now we pass on the baton to Priyanshu and Vanashe. Thank you so much.
So I will-